Usambut matang ba kajela badai pai kitanat kampo yeng ba prestun tensong ong laong ba watla ki pulit ki kenduk sipun ki jing ban lek khang ya ki kam ti dewyong be ai nama ba kadon sijaka balong klau ba lausan wat ki kali fulwiru ki ya hadu lai sau kenta nasrak ban poi sekete jaka handai kim simra rej bat kitur sekete jaka ban pensange bat khang sebak sisendon ya ki kam ti dewyong be ai kani ke juba usambut terang ba kalong halo ke jingki ya ke jing beteng ke jing ti dewyong be ai kebayam sia ke jing yap hadu al pnyongot ki breu haman skat tangsko is jantiris dangsian ba prestun ong ba soka kam ju pekai habron kanu kanu ki jing dia badon ki jing ti dewyong be ai bat klasim kam trait ban pristom ya ki badon peti ha kani ke ayom rang mamenta ulaong ba soka kala betha ban lek de beteng ban khang bai sebak ya ke jing ti dewyong be ai ha ka jela barok kawai hadum tala kem angot ki traipar ki badon peti ha ka jingjia bat ki pulit ki dang thuet bat dang tokit susu halol kani ki jingjia wa yathu ba ka sokra jela kla thung da ka judicial inquiry commission ban tokit bat ti bania ya kai kamti duyong khamtam ka jingyap jong ki aprengut ki breu ha ka te ki than thangsko east jantiris district
The government has taken a decision that we will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out investigation or whatever. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. Whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it, the report. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop. We are yet to, right now we have already arrested 2, and now we are, natry ngan dia begin batay lot kita baru kamlong, naman mata ki police jogi kilong on the job, ban find out namar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru, kinang ya find out kumno dot kanu ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu, ya kata ngan melaban batay ya menta, the ailat yang ini nakaliang ka police department ba kin find out ya ki jigsisa por ko kanu ki don ki to ki minors la ki no ki ba involved ba ki illegal mining.